Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our general knowledge book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with it. Today we are going to begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Under the Water. This chapter is about certain animals which are found near the sea or near the water, or you can also say some of them are found inside the water also. So let's begin with the chapter. It says that the sea is full of different forms of life. As we all know, sea is also a place, another face of earth where we find different kind of life forms. Given below are pictures of some animals that live in or close to the sea. तो नीचे कुछ ऐसी pictures दी गई हैं which are of animals which we will find which they live in or they are close to the sea. So we have to identify them and then we have to complete their names by identifying those pictures. Now let's begin with the first picture, and this is a picture of a bird. They say that this bird flies around the beaches and lands near water. It lives near the beaches. It usually flies over there and lives over there. Now what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is seagull. S-E-A-G-U-L-L, and they are found near the beaches flying, and they look very beautiful when they fly because they are basically white in color. The second one is picture of a fish. Now can you children identify this fish? What is this fish basically? They are helping you by telling that this is the largest animal on the earth. And what is this? This is actually a blue whale. B-L-U-E, blue, and W-H-A-L-E, whale. So this is a blue whale. Then next we have the third one. Let us see the picture. What is this picture of? Now if you see carefully to this animal, this resembles to a horse, but not completely. But yes, of course, this part, it resembles like a horse, and it lives in a sea, or you can say in water. And they have given you help by telling you that a strange creature in the sea that looks like a horse. So what it is called as? It is known as S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, horse. So what is its name? Its name is sea horse. Let's now see that what is the next picture. This picture is of actually a dolphin, and they are telling you that like humans, this is also a mammal, and we will write here D-O-L-P-H-I-N. So the picture is of a dolphin. Next we have the fifth point, and it says this creature has 8 arms. So how many arms does it have? It has 8 arms. And this is the picture of the animal. I hope you have understood what is this picture is of. It is an octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. It is an octopus. Let's now move to the next picture. So the next picture is of another bird, and this says that this bird flies over the sea. ये bird जो है sea के ऊपर उड़ती है अक्सर and has the largest wings, और इसके सबसे ज़्यादा बड़े wings होते हैं. So what is the name of the bird? If you look carefully, what is this bird known as? It is known as albatross. So this is albatross. The next is also a bird. If you look carefully, this has a long beak, and the bird with large bills to hold a lot of fish. What does it do? It holds many fish over here in its bills, and the name of this bird is pelican. P-E-L Pelican. Now with this we have completed the chapter. I hope you have understood and like to gather the knowledge of the sea animals which live in or are found near the water. Thank you for watching the video. Keep studying till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.